So what is this? It's called touching a koi fish, a symbol of good fortune and extra luck. In the past, stock investors were busy losing money. Now they can touch a koi fish, check the market above, and hopefully grab some luck from below. And if that sounds interesting, wait until you see what it can actually do. Big thanks to my tech partner over in China for providing this footage. I really appreciate the support in making this video happen. Hey everyone, Stella here from TechieStreet. If you're into staying updated with the newest gadgets, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you don't miss any of our latest tech content. Oh, brothers, Huawei's foldable computer. You really have to see this thing in person to understand the visual impact. It's one of those products that pictures simply can't fully explain. This is Huawei's second-generation HarmonyOS foldable computer, the new Huawei MateBook Fold. And here's the crazy part. It's the world's first 18-inch handwritten foldable computer. The Pencil 3 supports 2 modes. You can use it for handwriting, annotations, and drawing, plus a blank number mode. And check this out. The HDR high brightness brush can make the MateBook Fold's master mode look like a giant light bulb. But that's only the beginning. With the included stylus, drawing is a major part of the experience. The huge 18-inch screen becomes a massive digital canvas, while split screen lets you keep a reference on one side and create on the other. Even features like Music Player are deeply integrated into the experience, and the software ecosystem is about to get even better. This is the world's first 18-inch dual-layer LED foldable screen, using the world's largest UTG glass for better impact and wear resistance. So even after long writing sessions, you won't have to worry about obvious dents or wear marks. Huawei has also focused heavily on screen stability and hinge reliability with advanced technology. And remember, this is already the second generation. There's simply nothing quite like it on the market right now. The new model keeps the predecessor's integrated design, including its seamless closing experience, but Huawei added something special, an industry-first hidden stand hinge. It supports stepless hovering from 100 to 120 degrees, letting you position the screen at different angles without extra support. Add the included keyboard, and that massive 18-inch display can go almost anywhere with you. Huawei also introduced a new flowing gold color. Inspired by scattered dawn light, its reflections change with the viewing angle, creating a layered, premium look. The result feels elegant, luxurious, and seriously high-end. Not every company knows how to use gold properly, but Huawei absolutely nailed this one. Finally, the MateBook Fold Master Edition continues with flagship-level hardware, plus a strong focus on AI and interactive features. Interested in this foldable computer? Then keep an eye on the launch event because Huawei still has plenty of surprises to reveal. Once it officially launches, I'll bring you a detailed review, so make sure you stay connected. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!